Look at that, bro. Alright guys, we are officially in the show. Bro, this Supra is perfect. Oh, on the TEs. Bro, this is the hardest 240 I've ever seen in my life. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today is the day I'm gonna go drop off the Z at the Anaheim Convention Center for TUNER EVO. I was gonna pick up the camera earlier when I was washing the car, but I was just chasing the sunrise. I didn't want any water spots, so I was in a hurry. But the Z is clean, just missing some tire shine and like the last minute details that you do at the show. Pretty much I'm gonna do all that once I'm there. But the Z is ready, guys. Got a Mustang, some bead locks right there. That'll be a good race, but my mom's behind me. Should I full send it? No way, bro. Just ran into the homie Jeffrey. What the? No way. Randomly, like 50 minutes away from home, and we live next to each other. Well, not next to each other, but alright guys, walking in behind a very clean Subaru. Did I say walking in? We're driving in. I'm like half asleep, guys. I'm sorry, I've only slept like 2 hours. So I guess we're parking outside for now. I don't know for how long. Kind of need to go home, but alright. Hella cars, bro. Look at this clean 300 ZX. Beautiful. And 4 Subi on them chrome TEs. See you. Oh, we got a. I just noticed we have a 400Z right next to my car. I think it's clean, dude. I really want one of these. This thing is beautiful, bro. The black ones are just perfect. So clean, bro. Got the infamous fresh fix right here. I think it's clean, dude. Look at that meats. Same wheels. I think those are 18s though. I'm not wrong. Are they 18s? Yeah, those are 18s. Those look good with the fat tire on them. You guys think 18s or 19s? My car's surrounded by 2 Nardo Z's. I think it's clean, dude. Which one are you guys taking, EVO or STI? Similar setups, just different colors. I don't know, bro. I think I'm gonna have to go with this one. Gotta pin my right camera over here. Then his homie is back there at the center. Oh, this thing is hard, bro. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's an RB or 2J. I'm not sure. I think I've seen it before. I think it's sick. That Nismo's super clean, bro. Damn, that thing is wet. I haven't seen that clean of a 370Z in a minute. Homie Low Tech pulling up. See you? What the fuck? The man, the myth, the legend. I think it's clean, dude. I had a super clean Subaru right behind it. Super in the wild? Oh my god, bro. If I had a Supra, it'll probably look something like that. You guys check out this exhaust on this 300. Look at those pie cuts, bro. Sick. When you come to the front, big baller. Look at that, bro. That's insane. It's lit. We're in finally. Alright guys, we got a temporary spot right now. I think we're gonna move back there where the Tacoma's at. But the Z's inside the show, guys. Damn, this thing looks f***ing sick in here, bro.
The next day.
What is up YouTube? I'm not sure if I'm starting a new video or I'm continuing, but we are on the way to TUNER EVO. We're about to get there, probably like 5 minutes away. And look, we got a clean Prius on NT03s. I think it's pretty clean, dude. I'm not gonna lie. All right guys, we are officially in the show Parked over here next to Buddy Club and Arc Movement. The Z's looking crispy, guys. The only problem is when I was walking in, I'm checking my pockets. I forgot the keys to the Z, bro. How am I gonna forget the keys to my car? So I can't go inside the car. I can't bring the windows down. My parents are thankfully coming to drop the keys off right now, but until then, the car's locked. I need to fix my bumper fitment, do a lot of stuff. I don't have the freaking keys, bro, but whatever. Let's go ahead and check out some of the cars. We have this 350Z right next to me. It's funny, I actually have a Z with like a similar body kit with like a collection car at home. It's pretty dope. Got this clean STI, same wheels as me, but white. I think that is dope, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very clean. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. I used to love these cars when I was a little kid. Mr. Must Be Nice. Fatty. Beautiful. Oh, and then we got this dude over here. Dude, this thing is sick. Meisters. On the R888, fool. With the tomei? No way. This thing, dude, he's doing it. This thing is beautiful, bro. Look at this big baller over here, bro. We got another Z over here. My boy's on the tire. Sheesh. The bumper cut. And the tomei. I see you, bro. Oh, this BR. What is it? 86? It's super clean. Blue and chrome is fire, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, that Lexus is so clean. Oh my goodness, this is fire. Wow. Damn, this thing is cool. Got another BQ over here. This thing is nice, bro. This Q is all over me, bro. This thing is clean, dude. Should I make the Q a show car? What do you guys think? A show car slash... Nah, because then I might need to buy another daily, bro. I mean, fuck it. Guys, I really want to build a kooky, bro. Oh, right hand drive. Sick ass food. There's an engine currently at the shop that's a built 1.5 JZ. I want to buy it and throw it in one of these, bro. Wouldn't that be so sick? Making like 800 horsepower easily, like a street car, just like having fun. Got some clean Subies right here. Oh, we got another red Z. Can't go wrong with the red Z, bro. Oh, this is actually the homies. I met them yesterday. Very clean, dude. Check out this Z, guys. Like marble. I think it's clean. The 370Z from yesterday that I really like. I think it's clean, bro. The hardest 370Z here, bro, for sure. Bro, this Supra is perfect. Oh, on the TEs, bro. How much you want for it? Fully carbon fiber C8. Got the most wanted BMW right here. It brings so many memories playing most wanted. Got a 370Z on my same setup. Nice, bro. Should I add one of these to the channel? I love homie taking a picture with the Z. I appreciate you so much, bro. If you're seeing this, I appreciate you. Bro, this was a parking chill. Oh, we got him. Ah, no. Finally, guys, shout out to my parents for bringing us Taco Bell and my keys. Now I can open the windows and fix my bumper. So I had the bright idea of putting this. Some people go look at the turbo, but I feel like it's too small, bro. Bro, this is the hardest 240 I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, how did I not see this? Bro, I need one now. This dude is killing the game right here, bro. This Supra is goals, bro. Oh my god. My boy got the tomei in the hood. Ran into this at the parking garage in New Type Bar. First time seeing it in person. And up here, I already seen it from the corner of my eye. My girl actually pointed this one out. R34, sick ass. Imagine picking up and dropping off your kids to school and that every day. I completely forgot to show you guys the homie Oscar, the owner of Society. This is his car. This thing is crazy, bro. Liberty Walk. This thing is so sick. Crazy wrap, crazy car. Got the homie's wide body 350Z. This thing is sick, dude. I love the color. All over the daily. This thing is clean, dude. I need to start doing more stuff to the Q50. Or I need to sell it and get something else. Alright guys, and this show has pretty much come to an end. People are starting to leave. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. A little cool start. That thing sounds sick. Hell yeah. Well, that was super random. Since it was raining a little bit, I was like, yo, let's slide the Z. A lot of you guys have been wanting to see me slide the Z, and I did it. Not even when it was an A, I would have this much fun. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video, guys. I'm currently sitting here editing, and I just wanted to come on here to say thank you to all the people that came up to me, came up to see the car. It's honestly crazy to see how many people support me and support my build. Honestly, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. Stuff like that motivates me to keep going, keep building cars, finish this build, and just continue with YouTube, you know. I'm excited to take the Z to a lot more shows this year. I do plan on doing a little bit more to it before the next show, so it'll look a little bit better, fixing the carbon. A lot of people were pointing out my carbon fiber. I tried to fix it, but the carbon fiber dude that repairs it wasn't replying. My rapper was just busy, so I just wasn't able to do it on time. But it's my fault. I procrastinated, you know. I should have done this a month ago. But anyways, next show my carbon fiber will be fixed, and the car will probably have some new wheels on it, maybe, I'm not sure. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like seeing the Z slide, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys want to see more of the Z drifting in the rain, let me know and I'll probably do it. Is it gonna rain today? It might rain today. I'll probably do it again today. Let me know in the comments below. Peace out.